So now let's go to the next question, which is create an ideal page flow along with content guidelines for at least one page and give the top 5 pages for the selected keywords. Now the second part of the question we have already done. So when we were researching about search intent, then I had asked you to add the URL of the competition, right? So this is done. Now for the first part, to create a page flow, there are two approaches. First is you look at the top pages of the competitor to understand what they have done. So if I look at this particular page, they have simply given an introduction and then 2-3 paragraphs about each of the benefits and given sources at the end. Now let's look at the other page. They have also done the same thing. They have given the benefits, they have added some gifts, I think, to make it more relatable and quirky. Okay. But only have listed the benefits with some references. And the third, health line, they have given, again done somewhat similar, they have again given 10 benefits and they have added FAQs at the end, 2 FAQs at the end, right? So the page flow more or less is the same. Okay. Either you can follow the same page flow, and if you can see, all of them have given references, even health line, it's not given references at the end, but in each of these points they have given these references. References in health related articles are very important. This we have covered, this we will cover, okay? But just to give just to explain in brief about it, it essentially shows Google that you have researched about a particular topic. So references to government website, important health related websites is good practice. Now coming back to the page flow, either you can use the same page flow as the competition has done. Another thing which you can do is you can simply refer to ChatGPT. So I did this exercise earlier. So I've written write an outline for the page on importance of gym, and since ChatGPT has given me a wonderful outline, I would say, they have further segregated the benefits into physical benefits, mental benefits, social benefits, discipline and routine, and long-term benefits, right? So if you want, you can even structure a page in this manner. Okay. I also wanted to add some FAQs, so just I added ChatGPT again. Can you suggest some FAQs which I can add in the end? And some FAQs were also given, right? So either you can use the flow which ChatGPT has given, or the flow which the competition has used, or a mix of both. Another thing is the page flow which we saw in competitors. All of them were more or less following the same page flow, but that will not happen all the time. So you will see the top 5 pages. Some will use one type of page flow, the other may use other type of page flow. Now it is up for your judgment call which page flow is relevant to your business. So you'll have to kind of do a little bit more thinking when you're deciding the page flow, and it should match whatever the user is searching for. You can even get page flow for service pages. So I've again given an example. What all sections should I cover in page about my gym franchisee page? The objective is to convince people to take the franchisee of my gym chain. So see, they have again given wonderfully, they have in fact given sections: introduction to franchisee, unique selling points, market opportunity, franchisee benefits, selection information, training and support, steps to ownership, testimonials, frequently asked questions, call to action, and so on. We don't need to add all 10, but I find all of them really relevant, and we definitely can pick 4 or 5 and add it to your franchisee page if you choose to design one. Now the next part, this next question here is, okay. The next question is, for one page, write the content of the page and publish it. Focus on the content, not on the design of the page. So to create the content, again you can use ChatGPT. First you ask it to create outline and then give a prompt. Can you also write the text based on the outline given above? And then it will throw amazing content, which you can then manually edit, and it's good to go. About how to add it on the website and publish it, that I will take it in a later tutorial where I will also discuss about other aspects of website design.